template for me, linked it to me on the Etherpad we set up a while back. And I will go through what happened in this template. I'm not trying to hide anything. But I can just go ahead and paste that into our example.html template file here. The changes, we've loaded up our object lister tag library and linked in Bootstrap, added a little bit more CSS, just a few lines of it, added some container elements, added a couple new placeholders for Django CMS, and called our list object tag that we just wrote. There's one last thing that I have to do in the Django file here, or in the Django project here, and that is to add our custom app, that object lister app, to the installed apps list. And that is all the changes I'm going to make to the base app. That is everything that I need to accomplish the mission that was set out to me. The base apps are a really great starting point for doing quick work like this, for prototyping something, or setting up an application or service quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and push that to our GitHub Enterprise. That will trigger the Jenkins job that would normally do the continuous deployment, but in this case I actually want to deploy it locally one time because we need to configure all of those settings. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Stackato client to log in. It recognizes if there's only one organization and one space available, so it automatically targets that. And now I'm going to do a Stackato push. And you can see it asks you if you want where you want to deploy it, what subdomain, give it a disk size, doesn't need that much room. The container name, we have all of our data sets in an object storage container in the Nebula system. So I'll show you from the dashboard here, object storage. We have a data set container, and there's 2 data sets in there.